Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. But be careful, almost 85% of our viewers answer incorrectly in the comments. So here is the task. What is the meaning of this sign? Number 1, begin divided highway. Number 2, two-way traffic ahead. Number 3, end of divided highway. Number 4, no passing zone. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. This sign indicates that the physical barrier, or median separating opposing directions of traffic, will soon end. Traffic going in opposite directions will now share the same road surface, often with only painted lines in between. Drivers must stay alert and prepared for oncoming vehicles being closer than before. Extra caution is needed when passing or turning, so the correct answer is number 3. Congratulations if you have chosen it. I'm Bill, your driving instructor. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.